A new set of Zilco harness is supplied in its component parts and packed in a harness carry and storage bag. It is advisable to assemble the harness prior to fitting on the horse. At this stage, it can be useful to leave the swing tags on each part, just in case the product code and description need to be referred to later. All fine adjustments will be made later when the harness is fitted to the horse. The first step is to assemble the breastplate and traces. Buckle each trace loosely onto the breastplate. Knot each trace up carefully out of the way. The correct hole will depend on the carriage design and length of shafts, so this will be adjusted later when the horse is harnessed and put to the carriage. Buckle the false martingale onto the breastplate. Next step is to assemble the saddle, girth, quick release tugs, false belly band and crupper.
Attach the crupper to the square D at the back of the saddle.
Attach the crupper to the square D at the back of the saddle. The correct hole will be selected when the harness is on the horse.
This will be adjusted when the horse is wearing the harness, so we're just going to leave this bit loose for now as a reminder that it needs fine tuning later.
The quick release tugs buckle onto the back strap that goes over the top of the saddle.
Buckle the tug on. Again, we don't know which hole. This will be adjusted when the harness is on the horse and the horse is in the carriage.
The round loop of the quick release fits over the square part with the roller. And the tail of the back strap tucks through the square loop in order to hold the two parts of the quick release together. Buckle the girth onto the offside girth strap. The offside of the false belly band attaches to the tail of the quick release tug. Now assemble the breeching seat, trace carry straps and breeching straps. Unbuckle one side of the hip straps in preparation for fitting to the cropper. Clip the breeching straps onto the ring of the breeching seat.
Trace carriers.
The trace carry straps buckle onto the rings of the breeching seat, below the breeching strap.
The breeching to the saddle.
The breeching can now be fitted to the cropper. The cropper has a choice of different slots through which the hip straps can be positioned.
Now we're going to thread through.
The correct position can be adjusted later when the harness is on the horse.
Fine-tune if we need to change to a different slot. into the horse.
The bridle headpiece is buckled to the blinker assembly.
The blinkers. All these straps will need fine tuning when the harness is fitted to the horse. So for now we just leave the tails out, ready for the fine tuning later.
The winker stays can be bent into shape in order to achieve a good position, giving clear forward vision.
The final shaping will depend on the horse, and this will be fine-tuned when the harness is on the horse. Fit the bit.
Now fit the bit. All straps have been buckled but not tucked into the keepers yet. This serves as a reminder that each one will need fine-tuning when the harness is on the horse.
Finally, the reins. Uncurled.
Finally, the reins can be uncurled.
They will be the last thing to fit to the horse and harness.
They will be the last part to attach when the harness is on the horse, prior to putting onto the carriage.
Looped up loosely, ready. Harness fitting on the horse.